MetaMask is a browser extension that you can download and install on the likes of Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Brave. The browser extension, which was launched in 2016, is a crypto wallet that keeps your data and cryptocurrency secure. Plus, the wallet also assists you in connecting to decentralized apps or dApps. So let's jump into installing and using MetaMask Wallet. But you're going to want to go ahead and add the extension. And once you've installed that, you'll see it appearing as a fox in the top right-hand corner of your browser. So then we're going to want to go ahead and get started. And you can either import an existing crypto wallet or set up a new one. And if you're configuring a new wallet, which I'm going to be doing now, and then you'll be asked to create a password, which will secure your wallet. And you'll want to make sure this is as strong as possible. And ensure that you read and agree to the terms of service. And click on to create. And once you've set up your MetaMask password, you'll be able to view your seed phrase. And this will be a sequence of 12 words, and it'll store all the information needed to back up and recover your wallet. And you'll want to make sure that you keep this seed phrase somewhere really secure, in one or more than one place. Once you've taken note of that, you can click on to Next. Then you'll need to confirm these in the correct order. It then states that you've passed the test and that you need to keep your seed phrase safe and it's your responsibility. And when that's all done, you can see here that you can swap tokens directly within MetaMask. However, we want to connect up the Binance Smart Chain. Now, the first thing you'll see is that we're currently looking at an Ethereum wallet and are connected to the Ethereum mainnet. And this won't work with the Binance Smart Chain dApps. Worse still, you could potentially lose your funds by sending them to addresses that you can't actually use. So we need to point our MetaMask wallet to the Binance Smart Chain nodes. If we head across to the circle icon in the top right and head down to Settings. From here, we need to go to Networks on the left-hand side of the screen. Then select Add Network at the top. So this is where we can manually add the Binance Smart Chain, as unfortunately it doesn't come with MetaMask. Now, one thing to mention here is that there are actually two networks that we can add. And this is either the mainnet or the testnet. The mainnet is the one that you're most likely needing to add here, and the testnet is essentially a test environment for the Binance chain, and it's used for app developers or testers to experiment without having to use the main blockchain. So if you're adding the mainnet, you'll need to add the following details, which you can also find over on the Binance Academy. So we'll need to enter in the network name, which is Smart Chain. We'll need to enter in the new RPC URL, the chain ID, which is 56, the symbol, which is BNB, then the Blockchain Explorer URL too. Then once you've completed that, you can then click on to save at the bottom of the screen. Then once you've saved the network, if we head back to the main view by clicking on the X icon, you'll notice two things. First, that the network has automatically been set to the smart chain that we've just added. Also, that the units are no longer showing in ETH, but instead they're showing up as BNB. Now, if the Ethereum logo is showing below your account, don't worry, as we're now connected to the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. And I'll just quickly show you now how to receive funds into our MetaMask wallet now using the Binance Smart Chain. You can see that my BNB are now showing, and that literally just took a couple of minutes to transfer. So now that I have my funds in my wallet, I can use that balance to use DeFi applications such as PancakeSwap to swap my assets with lower fees than using the likes of the Ethereum network. But that's how you can connect up your MetaMask wallet with the Binance Smart Chain.